So we ended up having another 100% success rate today, having multiple 100% profit returns on SPY call options. And we also had a 100% plus profit return on an SPX put options trade right before the market closed during the power hour trading session. I'm going to be explaining to you the trades that we ended up making on the day. We were trading the overall bullish trend as it was expected for the SPY to have an overall bullish move. If you use the game plan, it clearly stated as long as the SPY is holding above 644.50, literally the lows of the day, and then it consistently forms, bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, forming higher support, breaking out and retesting, then it was going to be on track for a move to 648 plus, where we were planning to buy call options. We had multiple trades where we made multiple 100% profit returns on SPY and SPX call options, and then like I said, towards the end, we had this insane trade on SPX puts. So we're going to get into that towards the end. First things first, we're going to get into how to trade the best setups at the best prices. So in terms of the overall market, we are now at all-time highs. With that being said, I'm currently seeing multiple patterns, and this is what I want to bring awareness to. So in terms of the daily chart pattern, we are a bit overextended here. As you can see, we have the green, red, green, and then we have the breakout for new all-time highs, along with the SPY trying to form some higher support. One thing I will say in terms of this overall daily candlestick, it's not the most bullish candlestick, even though it's signaling green. You have to keep in mind, we are currently at all-time highs. We're a little bit overextended. SPY's been sitting up here for quite some time. One thing that I want to bring awareness to is if you just look at this overall daily candlestick right here and you compare it to how SPY has recently been reacting when it's been, pushing above major resistance levels, the next day it tends to pull back. The next day it tends to pull back, right? If you just kind of study that overall pattern, vast majority of the times when it forms this green daily candlestick facing to like the downside, it does attempt to have a pullback. However, I am seeing multiple patterns on the 10-day 30-minute chart that are signaling it could be bullish and not bearish. But here's another situation as well. You can see, and then the next day starts to pull back a little bit, right? So in terms of the daily chart pattern, it's not the most bullish signal, but it's not going to be as simple as that. It's going to be a bit more difficult in terms of the overall game plan a night before in advance, mainly due to, how price action has been lately and how we're at all-time highs. Now, this is what I have for you, right? So I just wanted to simply bring some awareness to, in terms of the daily chart pattern, it is signaling more bearish than bullish, but we need to really dissect this and get surgical here because it's going to be a bit more advanced. So heading into tomorrow, this is what I want you to be aware of. So you can see right now, we ended up closing at 646.63. That's going to be the previous closing price. In terms of the patterns that I'm seeing on the 10-day 30-minute chart right here, these are the two potential outcomes. Now, before I get into the two potential outcomes, one strong point that I want to make is, if the SPY is reacting bearish at or slightly above, so in terms of like slightly above, we'll call it like 648, right? If the SPY is reacting bearish at 648 to 647.60, you're seeing red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, you're seeing red, green, red, or you're seeing, red, green, red, or even red, double green, red, or just bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, lower highs, breakdown, retest towards those overall levels in between 648 to 647.60, you are going to want to try puts and consider puts because based off the daily chart and also based off the patterns that I'm looking at, if we get a bearish signal, the best price for puts, if we get the bearish signal at this level, is going to be slightly above the previous day highs. If not, then look for 650 plus. Wait for 650 plus. So that's what I would say in terms of the puts. Since we are new all-time highs, be very, very meticulous in terms of the confirmations you're going to use to try to get it on that overall top. And instead of trying to get it on the top of the zone, if you're seeing bearish confirmations, You can also just wait for a breakdown retest. You know, you can wait for the SPY to kind of top out and sacrifice that overall best entry, right? So if it's like topping out around this zone and then you see it, you know, breaking down, you see it cracking below, retesting, forming lower highs, then you can get in on that situation, or you can try to get in towards the top of the overall zone if the best confirmations are there, or you can try to do both, right? I mean, most professional traders, they will look to do both. Another easy way to do it is just literally get in on the slightly lower entry once it's reacting bearish, wait for it to crack below, spike back up, form lower highs, break down, retest, form bearish confirmations. So that is the first trade idea on puts. Now, one thing I want to make very clear, heading into tomorrow, you know, towards pre-market, towards market open, for us to want to take this trade idea, we need the SPY to stay below like that 648, right around, we need it to stay, you know, barely above the previous day highs. So what I'm telling you is the first best trade idea is going to be on puts slightly above the previous day highs, as long as we're staying slightly below, you know, slightly, as long as we're staying like below like 648. So as long as the SPY is like maintaining under 648, we're reacting bearish and we're not breaking above, you're going to want to be buying put options. Same way how I made it very, very clear. As long as the SPY is holding above 644.50, you're going to want to be buying call options because it's going to be a bullish trend day. And for those of you who learned from last night's video, you should have been extremely bullish at market open like we were, and we were buying calls. Because I told you if 644.50 holds, we're going to be buying calls, and it was holding, forming a double bottom. But look, you had the same confirmation on the 30-minute chart on why we ended up buying calls the day before that. And I literally told you to use, you know, August 26th as an exact reflection, as a mirror drop, you know, to trade the reflection, to trade the confirmations when you're trading on August 27th with the levels. And surely enough, look at the confirmation. A bullish engulfing ended up forming a double bottom at our 644.50 level. This is the same pattern right here where we used to buy calls, you know, on August 26th. We did the same thing again today to ride up this bull trend, right? Because we were all well aware, as long as the SPY is holding above 644.50, we're going to be buying call options, riding it up into the 648 range. That was overall game plan. No reason to buy puts below that. And with that being said, you have this red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. Red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. And then when it retests, right? When it retests this right here, when it retests the highs of this bullish, you know, engulfing reversal pattern, breaks out, retest, it bottoms again. And look, the curriculum works. There is no excuse to be red. If you are going red, trading is not for you. I literally said use the levels and use August 26th as an exact reflection to trade heading into August 27th. Look, it's the same fucking thing. This is the same exact pattern. If you're going red, that's your fucking choice. Look at this pattern. Resistance, resistance, bullish engulfing, red middle, green middle. What happens after that? It breaks out, right? What happens when it retests? It bottoms and it pushes higher. Right here, resistance, resistance, bullish engulfing, breaks out, retest, retest, green, red, green. This is another bullish pattern that bottomed at the break and retest level. Green, red, green, right? That bottomed at the break and retest level. Pushed higher, pushed higher. If you just listened to the curriculum, use the levels, use the break and retest strategy, use the 30-minute candlestick confirmations, I genuinely don't understand how anyone could literally be red. It makes absolutely no fucking sense. If you are red, it is genuinely a personal choice. Our trades are another 100% success rate. Look at this. 11:56 a.m. 6490 SPX calls at 110 cents. 6485 SPX calls at 100 cents. Both of these trades, we're holding them. And then look at how much they go up. This one went from 100 cents to 245 cents. This one went to 520 cents, 6490 at 245. 6490 right here, this went to 245 cents. You could have made over 140%. 6485 at 100 cents, this one went to 520 cents. You could have made over 400%. Who do you know is winning this much? We were buying this at 100, literally at the fucking lows. It went to 520. And then look at the power hour trade. 6485 SPX puts for 165 cents. And this went to 295 cents. It went deep in the money right before the market closed. It was absolutely insane. We bought these SPX puts right before the market closed. And look at what happened, man. This was the craziest fucking trade of the day. And before this, we already had multiple 100% profit returns. 6485 SPX puts, 165 cents, 3:54 p.m., right? So 6485, look at this. This is 6485 right here. We were getting in at 3:54 p.m. right here when the puts were literally at the fucking money. They closed deep in the money, 4 points deep in the fucking money. Contracts went to 300. We were in at 165. As soon as we got in, they dropped. Members were getting in below 100 a fucking contract, man. I'm telling you, man, losing to personal choice. You guys should be going green every single fucking day, man. Like, the amount of winning it's in fucking insane. Like, nobody is winning this much, this consistent, this big every single fucking day, man. 200% return just on the power hour play. 200% return. Do you understand? That was in minutes, within fucking minutes. And I told, in terms of last night's video, like I told you, we were going to be eyeing an idea on puts towards the market close. G-Roar called it out fucking perfectly. You know, that was insane. The play went deep in 4 points deep in the fucking money, bought it out the money, closed 4 points deep in the money. It hit 300. People were getting in under 100. Sold at 280. Look at this, man. Saying it's a hedge fund himself. It's fucking insane, man. Fucking, the results are insane, man. You guys, if you aren't in this group, you need to get in this group right now. It's the first link down below within the description. It's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing nonstop. So, you know, those were the overall trades. I had a couple trades as well. They all fucking banked. I had, 646 calls at 114 cents. These went over 180 cents. I added at 120 to double the gains. Sold for a smaller win. I just didn't like the overall price action. My trades were overall smaller wins, shorter holds on the overall day. But still, and then my first trade right here, 6480 calls, 420, sold at 480. And then this one was a quick just 25-cent loss on premiums. We fucking crushed it, man. This is unlimited fucking printing and unlimited fucking winning, man. Nobody wants to quit. Nobody wants to quit. Everybody wants to fucking stay. It's nonstop fucking winning, and it's unlimited fucking printing, man. Losing is genuinely a choice. So if you're serious about making money, it's the first link down below within the description. Now, let's talk about the idea for calls. So in terms of this idea for calls, you know, one of the best levels is going to be this new higher break and retest level. It's going to be right here. 645, right? So this 645 level right here, resistance, 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 resistance. SPY had a very strong breakout to new all-time highs. So once we drop back down and retest, look for the bullish confirmations, and we're going to be interested in buying calls, you know? So this is going to be a buy zone right here. That's going to be considered our first oversold buy zone at 645. Our next oversold buy zone, you know, you can keep an eye on 644.40, but our true next oversold buy zone would be right here. Fucking amazing. 643.70. This is an amazing level, man. So look, all these levels, you guys need to be focused on buying calls. 645, 644.50. That's a strong call zone. Next call zone is going to be 643.66 to 642.80. I'm telling you, once the SPY gets to those levels, it's gonna spike. These are very strong break and retest levels, very strong bullish engulfing. Look at this. We had another bullish engulfing right here. This is the best pattern you can literally use on the 30-minute chart. Look at this. It has formed 3 times in the past 48 hours of SPY trading. Look at this pattern, man. Red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. Red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. Red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. Fucking 4 times. Red middle, green middle, bullish uptrend. Green, red, green on a break and retest. Green, red, green on a break and retest. I'm just saying, like, man, if someone watched the video yesterday and they listened to what I said, it was so fucking simple. As long as the SPY holds above 644.50, we're going to be buying calls. That was the game plan. It's bullish above that level. And then I literally said, just look at August 26th on a bullish trend day. If they just would have looked at August 26th, all they had to do was say, okay, 644.50 above is bullish, red middle, green middle, green middle. Okay, that's a bullish engulfing. Buy the calls, sell the breakout. Buy the calls, sell the breakout. It had the breakout, sold the rip, we fucking banked. Retested, bullish trend, break and retest, green, red, green, profit target 648, buy calls again for the breakout, buy calls again on the breakout. It's like, dude, if you are going red in this market using my stuff, I would genuinely encourage you to just stop trading. Like, guys, don't waste your time, don't waste your fucking money. Trading is not for fucking everyone, dude. Like, if you're going fucking red with my levels, the best levels in the fucking business, with the most simple, easiest fucking curriculum for you to make money every single fucking day, like, what the fuck, man? It does not get easier than this, you know? It really doesn't. I'm making it as easy as fucking possible, man. And you watch all the levels fucking print. 645 will bounce, 644.50 will bounce. Oh my gosh, 643.50 will fucking bounce. 643, I'm fucking telling you, man. These zones, buy fucking calls. 645 to 644.50, 643.50 to 643, break and retest, bullish engulfing, break and retest zones. Every single time, if you pay attention to the fucking trend, every single time the SPY has broken above a bullish engulfing, when it retests, it's been bottoming. When it retests, it's been bottoming and pushing higher. And we have one that hasn't been retested right here at 645, which is very, very key. And this is still going to remain a key oversold overall gap level as well, considered on like an intraday 30-minute view. This is still a very strong level to buy. I explained it in last night's video. I'm not going to be explaining why again. For those of you who want to learn why this is a very strong buy, go back and watch last night's video. It's over a fucking hour and 45 minutes. It's somewhere in there. 643. So, that's the game plan for calls. Now, one thing I will say is, so if the SPY has this break above 648 and it starts going bullish, I would just say, just sit on the sidelines, wait for a strong breakout. If it's in the 650s, look for an opportunity on puts with the best bearish confirmations, but overall the market will attempt to close bullish. So, I mean, if we get a strong break above 648, then there's no reason to buy the puts really. And wait for a nice pullback and just look to use the curriculum. Look to use the curriculum on the past 2 days, August 26th, August 27th, right? So if the market's breaking above 648, you can try calls at the higher levels. The higher levels would be 646.63, 647, 647 mid. Just look for strong 1.5 to 2 point breakouts. Look for retest. Look for bullish engulfing on the retest. Look for green, red, green on the retest. It's like, dude, if you use this information and you are fucking red tomorrow, trading is just not for fucking you. My team and I are going green every single fucking day. Losing is a personal choice. Every single fucking day. No matter what. It's all a fucking choice. Losing is a personal choice. You tell me, how can someone be red when all of our trades are going up multiple 100% profit returns? If you are red into this week, just quit. Just cancel the subscription. Please. I'm trying to save you the money. I'm trying to save you the fucking time. We get it. Trading's not for everyone. Some of you guys want to be degenerates. Some of you guys want to abuse the system. Some of you guys want to have no risk management. Some of you guys don't want to hold your trades. Some of you guys want to use stop losses. It's completely fine. If you want to trade with a different style and if you want to be a losing fucking trader in our fucking group, that's not okay. Just fucking, it's not okay to choose to be a fucking loser in our fucking group as a fucking trader. Like, just cancel the fucking group, dude. Like, this fucking shit, it's okay to have different styles and stuff, but you need to understand, if you're trading the way we fucking trade, losing's a fucking choice, dude. All of the fucking trades this week, there was only like one loss this week. How the fuck can anyone beat fucking red? There was only one fucking loss, a dozen fucking wins, and all the fucking wins were going up multiple 100% to thousands of percent, and we were adding to all the fucking wins. It's like, dude, our win rate is above 90 fucking percent, above 90 fucking percent into the fucking week. And we're adding to all the wins, and all the wins are going up multiple 100% profit returns to 1,000% returns. If you are fucking red, I'll tell you why you're red. You're not holding the trades. And why aren't you holding the trades? You're not holding the trades because you're sizing in too big. If you size in too big, you're going to sell for losses. You know? Part of being successful inside of Team Roar is to have big fucking balls. If you don't have big fucking balls, don't fucking trade. This shit's not for fucking you, dude. If you want big fucking balls, the answer is to not, get shit fucking rich and fucking, try to make a fuck ton of money. It's literally size down. Size fucking down. Let the holding, let the percentage gains do all the fucking work for you, dude. I'm fucking telling you. I just don't understand how the fuck anyone could be fucking red if they genuinely fucking listen to us. I see the vast majority of the members, they listen to us, and then there's just like one or two members, they don't fucking listen, and they're fucking red. I'm like saying, man, why can't we just have the whole fucking team with 100% success rate? What is so fucking hard about sizing? What is so hard about understanding this concept? You put in your max risk per trade into the trade. The contracts are typically 50 cents, 100 cents, right? So $50, $100 a contract. You can start with just one fucking contract. Each contract, you can make 100%, 200%, multiple 100%, 1,000% sometimes, right? So all you need is one fucking contract to literally replace a 9 to fucking 5. One contract can make you hours and hours of fucking pay. During the power hour, it can fucking make you a week's pay, a week's fucking pay. We're talking about, just working like a normal 9 to 5 job. It's like, dude, you can get started with one fucking contract. If you're in our group, you're trading alongside a system that nobody else has access to. You're trading a completely different trading style that does not exist anywhere fucking else. You're gaining access to something different, something that's unique. And you need to understand that this is the hardest asset class to be trading. Far out of the money zero-day options is not easy to master. But if you trade alongside people who mastered it, you're going to see how easy it really fucking starts to be because you're trading alongside the absolute best. But you need to understand, this asset class that we mastered is not fucking easy. This is extremely difficult, complex, right? And you need to also understand we're doing the complete opposite of what everyone else is doing. So you're going to have to fucking rewire the way you fucking trade, and you do that by fucking trading. But some of you guys, especially the new people who join the group, you're not even fucking trading. If you're not even fucking trading, this is what you're doing. You're sizing in big, you're not holding your trades, you're selling for losses, or you're using stop losses. If you're doing that in our group, that means you're not fucking trading. You're not even trading. That just means you're being a degenerate. You're choosing to lose and you're gambling. That's what that means in our group. We understand there's other styles and there's other communities, who use stop losses, who take massive position sizes, who sell for small wins. Look, we get it. But over here, it's the complete opposite. So you need to take all the fucking bullshit you learned over there, and when you come into fucking here, you need to be fucking clean slate. Clean fucking slate. Fresh fucking start, 1 to 2 contracts, ready to fucking go. That's another thing. I don't understand why anyone would join our group and start sizing up when they just joined. If you just joined something, you should start fucking small. You shouldn't be bitching, whining, complaining if you're like losing money or some shit. You should be like, okay, I'm going to start small. I'm going to gain the experience. It's literally about gaining the experience of becoming a trader in our unique style to see if our format, to see if it's even for fucking you. Because this shit is not for fucking everyone. But at the end of the day, we make it as simple and as easy as possible. And like I said, this is why I genuinely can't understand. If people fucking listen to us, how the fuck can you be red? Every single trade we made, except one trade this week, they were literally all fucking green. And they were 100%, multiple 100%, 1,000% returns. So like I said, If you're going fucking red, this is what you're doing. You're selling for losses or you're using stop losses. And you're doing that because you've been conditioned to do that, or you're just sizing in too big. You need to understand, if the trade does not work out, you are going to lose 100%. Your entire position size will be gone. So what you put into the trade is your max risk per trade, right? Your R multiple. So the same way people set a stop loss, when they get stopped out, what do they lose? They lose their R multiple. They lose their max risk per trade. The difference is with us, there is no stop loss. So what you're putting into the trade is your max risk per trade. And the way we're able to get rich by doing this is by adding to wins to double to triple the gains, setting the profit stop to ensure that we're not taking on extra risk. And since we set the profit stop, it's impossible to go green to red. We get profit stopped out, and we're making bigger percentage gains, much bigger than the percentage losses. And we have a high win rate, which helps, but we don't need it, because this gives us the strongest foundation within the market to be successful with a win rate as low as 30%, even though we have the highest win rate in the game doing this, right? And by making a lot of trades. That's how you get shit fucking rich. If you make a lot of trades and you win a lot and you barely lose, and the trades are always bigger percentage-wise than the percentage losses, and you're not adding to losses and you're adding to the wins, you're always going to be fucking green, no matter fucking what. Even with a win rate as low as 33 fucking percent, you'll still be fucking green. So if you're in our fucking group, stop selling for fucking losses, stop using fucking stop losses, start sizing it appropriately. Every single time you make a trade, look, the trades cost $50 a contract, $100 a contract, right? SPX, think like $100 a contract. SPY, think $50 below a contract, right? So you already have an idea of the costs to enter the contracts. So before you enter the trade, you need to have a set percentage of your account. And if you're trading in a large account, it doesn't have to be percentage. Percentages for more small accounts, they have to take on bigger risk, less of a cushion, and focus on compounding. If you have a bigger account, you can focus more on the dollars, not on compounding the account, right? But have like a set number in mind, dollar or percentage. Like I said, if you have a small account, I encourage percentage. If you have a large account, I encourage to focus more on the dollars, less crazy percentage growth, right? So, have a set number in mind of, okay, this is my max risk per trade. What's that look like to you? Is that going to be 2% of your account? Is that going to be 3% of your account? I would not go above like 4 to 5%. That's a fucking lot. I would keep it at like 2 to 3% in between that range. If you have a large account, even fucking less. You do not need to risk much to make a fuck ton of money. One of the best parts about this group is you don't need to risk much at all to make a fuck ton of money, because I told you, there's a lot of trades, and the trades are the biggest percentage gains in the market. And, we add to wins, which doubles to triple the gains, right? So with that combination, you should be encouraged to size in less, and you should be encouraged to gain the experience to trade alongside us and learn this overall style of trading. So like I said, if anyone's fucking red in our fucking group, you're either selling for losses, you're using stop losses, you're not holding the fucking trades. There's been a couple trades where we've gotten in that didn't do shit. They either just didn't do shit for hours, or they dropped 80%. They dropped 80 fucking percent in hours, and then they all came back to life and went up multiple 100% profit return. This is now 2 days in a row where the trades we took on calls went up multiple 100%. Today was multiple 100%. Yesterday it was fucking 1,000% plus. It's like, dude, if you are fucking red, you need to get fucking checked. Like, what the fuck? This shit don't get easier than this. Stop making it fucking hard on your fucking self, dude. Vast majority of people are holding these fucking trades. Trades aren't doing fucking shit. They're holding the fucking trades. They all come back to life. They all fucking go green. When they start to push closer to the fucking money, they go up a fuck ton. You understand? This takes hours and hours to happen. Look at how quick the moves happen. Look at this. Dead. Oh, I'm down. Oh, losing money. You ain't losing shit. It's unrealized. It's unrealized fucking paper. It's not fucking real. You want to know what's real? Your fucking exit. Realize. That's the only thing that's fucking real. Unrealized, that what the fuck does that mean? It's Fugazi. It's not fucking real. When you exit, that's real. All this shit in fucking between, this is all fucking emotions. We created a system to eliminate all this bullshit. It happens all the time. We'll hold a trade for hours. It'll be up a little, or it'll be down a fuck ton percentage-wise, 70, 80, 90%, which isn't a lot dollar-wise because it's our max risk per trade, right? And then in fucking minutes, it goes up multiple 100%. Once they go in the fucking money, I'm telling you, this goes fucking insane. This happens all the time. Look at this. It's just stale. It's dead. It does fucking nothing, and then boom, just fucking takes off. This shit happens all the fucking time, man. You guys need to be fucking patient. You could literally just set price alerts and turn on notifications. Dude, it blows my fucking mind thinking about this because, like, in our fucking group, there could be someone who just blindly follows these trades and they can genuinely do better and have a great chance of being successful versus someone who doesn't listen, versus someone who sizes in bigger, they're fucked, versus someone who just sells for losses, use stop losses, they're fucking up. It's like, dude, someone could literally trade with a fucking blindfold on, turn on notifications, hear a fucking ding, and just exit the fucking trade. They can genuinely do better than someone who doesn't fucking listen. If you are fucking red this week, it literally means you're sizing in too big, you're not holding the fucking trades, you're selling for losses, or you're getting stopped out for fucking losses. If you're not gonna trade the way we fucking trade, then don't trade with us, dude. Don't fucking trade with us. Like, what the fuck, man? It's an absolute embarrassment if anyone is fucking red this fucking week. And even last week, that's an even, like, my gosh, man. August has been such an easy fucking month to be trading. It's genuinely embarrassing. Like I said, man, if someone's red last week and this week, just quit. Please, just fucking cancel, man. Like, you guys, we need to be surrounded by the absolute best. We need to be surrounded by people who are going to fucking listen and fucking print, man. Like, it's insane. Like I said, the vast majority of the group, they were green, but I saw like one or two people fucking red, and I'm like, dude, that shit makes no fucking sense. That people just don't want to fucking listen. It's like there's always one out of a fucking dozen who doesn't want to fucking listen, and that's what I'm saying. And in this market, like, some people need to lose every fucking thing a million fucking times until it fucking clicks for them to fucking listen, man. This shit's fucking wild. So, like I said, man, if some of you aren't gonna rewire your shit, if you're just gonna waste, our time, waste your fucking money, bitch, whine, complain, or whatever the fuck, dude, just cancel the group. If it's not for you, it's not for you, man. But for those of you who are ready to learn new shit, rewire, fucking listen, learn, grow, level the fuck up, and trade alongside the best, this shit's for you. It's for fucking you, man. Like I said, trading isn't easy. We make trading as easy as it can be, but the shit's not fucking easy, man. It's just that shit pisses me the fuck off, man. I mean, I'm more pissed off if they fucking stay. If they're fucking up and they choose to keep on fucking up, at some point they need to fucking leave the group. But if they just choose to stay and keep on fucking, like, dude, it's like, if you're just losing money nonstop and you're just not fucking listening, just leave the group. Just fucking, like, we're not here to waste people's time and money. Our format works. It's not going to work out for everyone. Some people don't want to listen. Some people, trading just not for them. And trading's tough as shit. No matter how easy we make it, no matter how well we do, no matter fucking what, there will be people in our group who are fucking red. This shit's not for fucking everyone. But some people, man, they literally don't listen. This isn't fucking insane, man. Like, in terms of G-Roars trading, man, this shit's fucking insane, dude. I remember, like, fucking a year ago, G-Roar used to have days where he would, like, overdo it, especially on, like, a red day. He would have more losses. On, like, a rare red day occurrence, he would have, like, more losses. Or he would just, like, over fucking, like, do it in terms of the trades. Now it's literally, like, the easiest fucking system. It's, like, the highest of quality fucking trades. Rarely any fucking L's, and it's just pure fucking quality. Like, the motherfucker shows up in the middle of the fucking day, drops the dots. Everyone's like, where the fuck is he? He shows up in the middle of the day, drops the dots, and outperforms everyone. 6490 SPX calls at 110 cents. 6485 SPX calls at 100 cents. The trades didn't do fucking nothing for quite some time, and then all of a sudden, 265 cents and 500 cents. 6485 calls to 520, we were in the hundreds. 6490 calls to 265, we were in 100. And then the last fucking trade of the day, 6485 SPX puts 165 to 300. It's like, dude, this is the highest quality trades you're ever gonna fucking see within the fucking market. It's fucking insane. Like, who the fuck do you know is doing that, man? Like, I'm telling you, this shit is the rarest fucking system you're ever going to fucking see, man. This shit's insane. And I'm telling you, over the year, I've seen a massive improvement in terms of the delivery and the quality of the overall system. Because I'm telling you, I remember, like, there was days where it was just a bit too much trading, too intense for members. But now it's just, like, so simple and so, like, high quality and the perfect amount of trades, and just there's just no fucking bullshit or any fucking thing. It's like, it's a massive improvement. of evolution. I'm telling you, man. So big shout out to G-War for that, because I'm telling you, I've noticed it. I've noticed a massive quality in improvement where there's no consideration of like over trading or just being like too fucking intense with just too many fucking trades. Like, this shit is becoming too fucking simple, too fucking easy, highest of quality, fucking rare, where it's insane. Like, look at these fucking results, man. Like, who the fuck is doing this? Are you guys seeing these fucking trades? Like, we're putting people onto this every single day. This is normal over here, man. The fuck? It's just the improvement is fucking insane, man. But for someone to just fucking show up at 12 p.m. and drop the 3 best trades of the entire fucking day, it's fucking insane, man. This shit is fucking insane, man. I'm telling you guys, we are putting you on to the best system within the market that nobody else is putting you on to. It's unlimited winning. It's unlimited printing. Losing is a personal choice, man. Look at this. Who wants to quit and get a full fucking refund? And then we had the who ended the day green as fuck. Like, that's what I'm saying, man. It's all a personal choice. Losing is a personal choice. If you were fucking red last week and this week, that's the shortest tell to fucking quit, man. It's not on us. Whatever it is, man, it's not fucking on us. I told you. Biggest reasons people... We trade the complete opposite of how all you motherfuckers trade. Nobody was taught to trade this way, man. Nobody thought of trading this way. Nobody was taught to trade this fucking way. Do you understand? This is all self-fucking-taught, man. Like, this shit, you don't find this shit anywhere else, dude. All of the trades that drop 90%, they come back to life, you know? Or maybe they're not using the right broker. We tell them, don't use Robinhood. Robinhood's going to fucking auto-exit you out of your fucking SPY trades. After 3:30 p.m., they'll be sure to fuck you over. Do not use Robinhood. My gosh. It's like, dude, this is a group of professional fucking traders. Like, the fact that this group, you can just click the link and join, it's fucking insane. Most businesses with an opportunity like this, they would make this shit fucking private, application, charge a fuck ton of money. Like, I'm telling you, this is genuinely fucking insane. Like, if we did have like an application and we were more private and charged more, I can assure you, man, we'd probably have much higher quality fucking people, and nobody would probably be losing fucking money. Like, if it has to come down to that, we'll fucking do it, man. Cause I don't like fucking seeing that shit, man. I genuinely can't stand people going fucking red or people losing fucking money on days and weeks where it's just all on fucking them. It's like, dude, all you had to do was fucking listen. Like, with whatever the fuck they did versus where if someone else just came in here, blindly fucking followed the trades, they would have been fucking green. Like, on shit like that, and if you're fucking red, then dude, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? We are going, like, look at every fucking trade, man. Every fucking trade, last week, this week, it's green non-fucking stop. Like, if you're not fucking in here, where the fuck are you, man? Like, where the fuck, if you guys aren't in fucking here, where the fuck are you guys, man? You guys are literally missing out on the greatest fucking opportunity if you're not inside of Team Roar, man. In terms of the best trades within the fucking market, it is unlimited winning and it is unlimited printing. If you're serious about making money, I would encourage you to join the group. It's the first link down below within the description. And it's time. It is time, guys. It is time for you all to print money at the speed of light. It is time. If you would like to do so, it is the first link down below in the description. You will gain instant access. You can start trading alongside us in the morning, and you're going to love it. You're going to absolutely fucking love it if you fucking listen. If you trade the way that you trade, you're not going to fucking love it. You're going to sell for losses. You're going to fucking use stop losses. You're going to fuck up. If you trade how we trade, oh my gosh, you're going to be like, dude, every trade print. It's going to be like, dude, I'm just holding trades. Some of the trades going down 90%. And I'm making more money than I was before on trades that are going down 90% because they're coming back to life and going up multiple 100%. And I'm okay with holding trades that go down 90% because everything I'm putting into these trades is my max risk per trade. Therefore, I don't need a stop loss. So if the trade expires, war of listing goes to zero, the most I lose was my max risk per trade. Same you would have lost if you had a stop loss, but you don't need a stop loss, you know? If you can't afford to risk 80 fucking cents to make $500, then don't fucking trade. That's what we tell people. Is trading for you? Well, you have to fucking try and experience it to see if it's for fucking you. You're not going to know by not fucking doing it. But if you can't afford to risk, $100 to make $400, if you can't afford to risk $90 to make fucking $400, then this shit's not for you. Do you see this? We do this every single fucking day. So you tell us, who's doing this every single fucking day, huh? Who's doing this every single fucking day? Is it Joe fucking Schmo? Or is it the fucking Scream? Is it the fucking Scream? Is it the Scream who's doing this every single day since fucking 2020? The Scream, is it the Scream doing this every single fucking day? Or is it Joe fucking Schmo? Or is it the big famous fucking YouTubers? Who the fuck is doing this every single day? You understand? This isn't fucking normal. This is fucking rare. This is fucking sacred. This is the best trades in the market every single fucking day. Look at the day, man. Look at the fucking day. This price action, patterns, predictable. The chop, shit. Moves, smaller. Not the overall best moving day, right? It kind of looks shitty. But with my curriculum, it looks fucking phenomenal. Bullish engulfing, breakout, retest, green, red, green, buy calls next 30 minute. Bullish engulfing, buy calls next 30 minute. Fuck. If you would have just fucking listened to the fucking video yesterday, I literally said, use the levels, bullish day above 644.50, bullish engulfing double bottom above 644.50 form, use the fucking curriculum. What the fuck does the curriculum say? Oh, fuck. Red middle, green middle, red middle, green middle, buy calls on the open of 30 minute, buy calls on open 30 minutes, sell the rip, sell the rip. When it retest, bullish confirmations, green, red, green, green, red, green, buy calls, buy calls. My gosh, how much more simpler do you want me to make it? Like, we are genuinely trying to make this winning to be as easy as fucking possible for you. If you are going red, I strongly encourage you to fucking quit. Just fucking quit, guys. Trading's not for everyone. 98% of traders are going to lose all their fucking money. 98% of traders will lose all their fucking money. They will waste all their fucking money, all their fucking time. They're going to lose so fucking much. Just fucking quit. If you can't figure out how to be fucking green with this information, then just fucking quit, man. Nobody's teaching you this. Nobody's giving you this opportunity to be green every single fucking day. You know, you call it whatever the fuck you want to call it. Dude, this shit's so fucking basic. Dude, this is like elementary fucking level. Dude, we're going green every single fucking day. Do you understand? We are making fucking money every single fucking day. Losing is a personal fucking choice. We don't give a fuck what anyone has to say. We know we have the best systems. It may seem simple. It may seem fucking elementary to some people. Good. That's fucking good. That means we figured out how to make complex shit fucking simple as fuck. Because trading ain't fucking easy, man. But if you trade alongside us, you're going to fucking see how much easier it fucking is. So, if y'all want to make some fucking money, it's the first thing down below in the description. I only put you guys on to the best money-making fucking trades, man. This is what we fucking do. All we do is win. All we do is fucking print, non-fucking stop. Look at this. SPXW, 6490 calls, 5 contracts, 173% return, man. Who do you know is making these returns every single day? Who do you know who has a group who's making 1,000% returns every single fucking day? You know? Dipshits in the fucking comments are going, dude, if they're making thousands of percent returns every single fucking day, these guys would be fucking trillionaires. That's not possible. I'm like, dude, all the rich traders in here, what they do is they reset their accounts. You compound your account for a week, for a month, maybe even 3 months, you know, depending on how much money you're trading with, right? And you just reset it. That's what everyone's doing, especially the rich fucking traders. They all reset it. They pay themselves. They reinvest the money. Different fucking avenues. Different fucking businesses. The fuck? At the end of the day, the market is fucking closed after 4 p.m. So technically, there is more than life to trading, but trading is still fucking life. But there's more things to do with the money, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. It is unlimited fucking printing and unlimited fucking winning. Non-fucking stop. With the proper risk management, if you're making 1,000% returns daily, with the proper risk management, that means you can compound your account 20% to 50% or even fucking 100%. I mean, 100% is pushing it. I would say like 25 to 50%. You can compound that every single fucking day, multiple days of the week, and then cash out and reset the fucking account. I'm fucking telling you, dude, this shit's fucking possible. So when we say, oh, it was 1,000% return day, with the proper risk management, that means you can make like a 25 to 50% return on your fucking account. It all depends on how much you're going to risk, man. It all depends on how much you're going to risk, right? Think about it like this. If you're putting in 2%, right, of your account into a trade, if it goes to 0, you lose 2% of your account, right? If it goes up 100%, you make 2%, right? So if you have fucking, 10 trades that go up 100% each, or just one trade that goes up 100% each, or whatever the fuck, right? And you're putting in 2% of your account, you make 1,000%. You make a 20% return on your account, right? On 1,000%. So if you're risking 2% in that particular situation and you're pulling out with 1,000% return, you're going to be up 20% on your fucking account, not risking a fucking lot. And we're having days where it's multiple 1,000% profit returns, man. So in that situation, I'm trying to give you some perspective in terms of like what people do and what risk management can look like. But we had a member make over 113% profit return with their smaller account. Congratulations, man. Fucking killing it. Fucking amazing, man. It's just fucking amazing what people can fucking do, man. We have small accounts making multiple cost of the monthly fee on a small account. It's like, dude, this is why I'm saying, like, we really do deserve that price to be raised. Like, we genuinely deserve this price to fucking go up non-fucking stop. Like, this shit's fucking crazy. Like, people genuinely don't understand not how fucking hard it is to pull this shit off, but the fucking crazy reality of like how this shit isn't like fucking exclusive, fucking like how it's like you don't need to fill out a fucking application and how it doesn't cost a fuck ton of money to get in here. That's like, we literally brought this to the fucking masses. This shit doesn't exist anywhere fucking else. Like, the fact that we got this to like a more mass appeal is fucking insane, man, because we don't have to do that. Like, anyone knows with something like this, it's usually like application and it's usually a lot of fucking money, dude. But vast majority of our members, they're choosing to fucking stay, and this is how we're keeping things are as of now. But man, I'm telling you, if we wanted to, we can get real fucking strict, man. We really could. We could start fucking doing applications, making sure we're getting the right fucking people in here at all fucking times. Like, fuck, dude, we don't want people, if they're not gonna fucking listen and just trade their own fucking way, this is the wrong fucking group for you, dude. Like, nobody was taught this way. Nobody in the fucking planet was taught this fucking way, dude. Look at every fucking video on fucking YouTube. Nobody talks the way we talk. Nobody talks about this real-time zero-day options trade alert system. Nobody trades the way we fucking trade, dude. Everybody says use stop losses, sell for small wins. They're all fucking losers, dude. The fuck? Why would I sell for a small win if I could hold for a big win? Why would I cut a loss when I could size in less and just hold the trade and trade the trend and have it come back to life 7 out of 10 times when it's down over 50%? It's like, dude, these motherfuckers who are preaching stop losses, they're all sizing in big. They're all winning small. They're all scalping. They don't know how to hold trades. They have no fucking balls. That's another thing. If you take a big position size, that doesn't mean you have fucking balls, because most people take big position sizes, they're fucking using stop losses and they're selling for small fucking wins. They have no fucking balls, dude. The fuck? Part of having balls in trading is to fucking hold. If you can't hold your fucking trades, why the fuck are you trading? Like, what the fuck do people think this shit is? Like, what do you think? You're going to have some sort of crazy fucking millisecond fucking edge that's going to get you fucking rich? That's some AI or fucking computer that some shit hasn't figured out already? Oh, yeah, if it were that fucking easy, I'm sure the whole fucking world would be doing that fucking glitch, right? Like, what do you guys think this is? Some sort of fucking glitch where there's a fucking millisecond within the market where you can make a quick fucking buck and just keep on compounding it? Like, no, motherfuckers. You need to get on the shit that we're fucking on. If you ain't on the shit that we're on, you're fucking up. And that's on fucking you. That's not on fucking us. So, if you want to fucking win, it's the first link down below in the fucking description. Far out of the money, zero-day options trading alert system, unlimited winning, unlimited fucking printing, mass fucking base, been with us for fucking years, track record documented for fucking years. People could say whatever the fuck they want, but if there's one thing they can't disagree with, nobody fucking prints like us, nobody has a system like us, and our trades are the best trades within the market. 100% guaranteed. You will witness and experience the best trades in the market. That doesn't guarantee you that you're going to make money. That doesn't guarantee you that you're going to get the same results as us. But at the end of the fucking day, if you fucking listen and see what the fuck we're doing, you are going to genuinely experience, wow, these guys are giving the best trades in the fucking market. How the fuck are they doing it? How the fuck are they doing this every single fucking day? How the fuck are these guys the most competent traders on the fucking planet where all they do is win? And they are winning not only consistently, but in the cheapest, lowest risk way possible, making the biggest percentage gains with a system that's making everyone's rich. How do you get rich in the market? You make the biggest percentage gains on the most amount of trades, and you add to winners to double, triple the gains. That's how you get rich in the market. You win a lot, you make a lot of winning trades, you make the biggest percentage gains, and you add to winners to double to triple the gains. We're doing the complete opposite of what everyone fucking else is doing. This is why we are part of the 2% of traders who are actually making money within the fucking market. And I'm telling you, far out of the money zero-rated options is the hardest asset class to be trading. There's reasons why we have a system. Most people trade without a system, which means they buy They sell and they set a stop loss. They trade in a fucking box. That's what most people do. They come into a market and they place themselves in a box and they never get out of the fucking box. And they're stuck in the box until they lose all their fucking money. And the box looks something like this. Okay, I'm going to buy here, I'm going to sell here, and I'm going to set my stop loss here. And they stay in their little fucking box. What we do is we make people fucking rich. Do you understand? We buy cheap, low risk, far out of the money, zero-dated options. We put in our max risk per trade into these trades. So we know the absolute most we're going to lose if the trade goes to zero and expires worthless before we get into the trade. So we feel very comfortable holding these trades throughout the entire day because the most we're risking is what we already would have fucking lost in the first place if we would have had a stop loss, right? If the trade expires worthless and goes to zero, right? So you should be comfortable holding. If you're not comfortable holding, then you're not a fucking trader. You need to learn how to hold trades, and part of learning how to hold trades is putting yourself in a position to hold trades. If you want to be incompetent and you want to trade like a fucking degenerate, then size big. If you're sizing in big, you're not putting yourself in a position where you can hold. And if you think you can hold it, you're going to blow up your fucking account, you fucking degenerates. So you need to fucking listen and you need to trade the way that we fucking trade. You understand? There's no need to reinvent the wheel. We have something that works and there's no way to improve this. I mean, the trading has gotten better over time, but there's literally no way to improve what it is that we fucking do. It's like, dude, set profit stops. Don't go green to red. If you go green to red, you're choosing to be a loser when you're already winning. Like, my God, it's one thing to be a loser. It's like, okay, you're already a fucking loser. But I couldn't imagine being a winner but choosing to lose. It's like, man, that's just another fucking level of being a fucking degenerate. It's like, man, to go from a loser to a winner, like, that's fucking great. That's a nice milestone. But then to go from a fucking winner to a fucking loser, it's like, man, fucking degenerates. Like, what the fuck? You were just a fucking loser, and then you turned into a winner, and now you're going to go green to red and be a loser again? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? You guys need to wake the fuck up. I'm giving you the greatest opportunity in a fucking lifetime. Nobody else is giving you this fucking opportunity. And you all need to start questioning why that is. Why come other traders don't show you a proven track record every single day? Everybody talks about trading. Oh yeah, they trade. What about a track record every single day that's documented for years? That's all timestamped. You can go on demand on Thinkorswim and fucking dissect every fucking trade we made. You know how much money this is fucking made? Dude, we have so many people studying us. There's fucking market makers in our fucking group. We have a fuck ton of people studying us, trying to figure out how the fuck we're doing what we fucking do. And I'm telling you, man, if you just hold the fucking trades, don't use stop losses, set profit stops, add to winners, you're gonna fucking bank, man. You're gonna fucking bank. That's why I'm pissed the fuck off when I see like one or two people saying, oh, I'm red last week, or oh, I'm red this week. How? How the fuck are you red? You sized in too big, and you sold for a loss. You set a stop loss and you got stopped out before the trade came back to life and went green as fuck. You missed the fuck out. You didn't add to winners to increase the wins, which outweighed the losses. But there was only one fucking loss this week. It's like, dude, you all need to get the fuck in this group and start fucking printing, man. Cheap, low risk, far out of the money, zero-date options. Buying far out enough money where they're the cheapest, and we're looking to sell deep in the money for the biggest percentage gains within the market. And you're going to see we have the highest win rate in the game doing this. Many trades on the overall week. Some weeks it's 20, 30, 40, 50 trades. Some weeks it's like 20 trades. It's a fuck ton of trades, dude. Biggest percentage gains. This shit adds up to fucking multiple 1,000% profit returns every single week. I already explained to you with proper risk management, a 1,000% return day could be equivalent to like 25 to 50% return on your account. So if we have multiple 1,000% return days every single week, which we tend to do, that means you can make 100 to 200% returns on your account, and you could just keep on compounding this shit. So again, for all the degenerates who are a bit confused, because again, we do trade with risk management, there's some people who are genuinely confused. They're saying like, dude, if these guys are making 1,000% returns every single fucking day, they'd be trillionaires. I'm over here saying, we use risk management, we have systems, and I'm explaining to people with our systems, realistically, you can double to triple the account with proper risk management when we're having multiple 1,000% profit returns week, which is every single fucking week. So that means for the rich people inside of Team Roar, this is what they fucking do. They trade with $50,000 or $100,000 and they double to triple their account every single fucking week, and then they cash out and then they reset their fucking account, right? So for all you fucking degenerates wondering why we're not fucking trillionaires compounding our accounts to a fucking infinity, that's fucking why. We have systems, and this is what the fuck we do with our zero-day option trade alert system. If you think there's a better way to do it with better risk management, you want to take on bigger risk, you want to try to make more, by all means, go fucking ahead. The people here, multimillionaires, who have $50,000, $100,000 accounts, and they're flipping it and making $100,000 a week, they're comfortable doing that every single fucking week. They're very, very comfortable making $100,000 a fucking week, every single fucking week, making over 5 fucking M's a fucking year, making a couple trades every single fucking day. I can assure you, in this fucking group, you're going to be surrounded by multi-fucking millionaires. You're going to be surrounded by people who are winning non-fucking stop. You're going to genuinely question, dude, why the fuck haven't I been here? What the fuck have I been doing trading all this fucking time without this fucking group? It's a real group. You're going to print. You're going to fucking make money. You're going to fucking love it. If you're fucking red, you're going to be like, what the fuck is going on? How the fuck am I red? These guys are winning every single fucking time. That's why I'm saying, dude, the only way people are going to quit is if they're fucking red. They're going to see, dude, these guys are winning every single day. They're winning on every single trade, and I'm still fucking red. How the fuck is that possible? They're genuinely going to be like, what the fuck? How the fuck am I red? Every single trade they're making is green. Every single fucking trade is fucking green. They're going 1,000% returns every single fucking day. Listen, man, losing's a personal fucking choice. If you want to win, non-fucking stop. If you want to see and experience if trading is for you, it is the first link down below in the description. The way to get rich trading is to trade more, is to win more, is to have the biggest percentage of wins in the market, is to add to winners, and is to set profit stops. You know, taking a small account of $2,500 on Monday to 3.5K already. I'm like, dude, the guy joined with a small account, he could stay here for the next 6 months. I'm sitting here saying, fuck. The account's up like 50 fucking percent in a fucking week. And then you have one person out of a fucking 1,000 red. Shit's fucking crazy, dude. Wouldn't be me. And if it was me, I'm choosing to be a degenerate, man. Those fucking days are over. Fuck. Those days are fucking over, man. We choose to win every single fucking day. The fuck? Losing, being a fucking degenerate, that shit's not even in our fucking blood or fucking DNA. Dude, we just win non-fucking stop. That shit is not in our fucking DNA. All we do is fucking win. Out of the runner, 647.24, $4,370. This is a guy who made $34,000 on fucking Tuesday, dude. 34 fucking K on a fucking Tuesday, man. They talk about the club going up on a Tuesday. 34 fucking K on a fucking Tuesday? It's like, dude, with that kind of money, that's like multiple fucking clubs going up on a fucking Tuesday. They're going to have to reinvent the fucking song, dude. People talking about I got the club going up on a fucking Tuesday. This motherfucker's going to have multiple fucking clubs going up on a Tuesday. And he's going to extend that shit into fucking Wednesday. They're going to make it a Tuesday and a fucking Wednesday shit, man. The fuck? Awesome numbers and fucking guidance. This is what the fuck I'm talking about, man. This is what we do. And this is why the fuck we do it. Because we want to get people results. We know we're the best. And we're not fucking hiding it. We're not afraid of fucking shit. We're not threatened by fucking shit. We know we're the absolute fucking best. And we're here to show the whole fucking world of who the fuck we are. If people don't like that, then fuck them. That's their fucking loss, man. We print, and we help people print non-fucking stop. Just got off the phone with my landscaper. Called him to tell him how fucking green those contracts went. Bomb-ass fucking play, man. There's no fucking excuse to be fucking red, man. Look at these fucking trades. Man. If you guys aren't fucking in here, what the fuck are you doing, man? Fuck. 25 cents to 300. We were in at 160. People were getting in under 100. 100 to 265. Fuck. We were in at 100. 100 to 520. We were in at 100. Look at these fucking trades, man. 100 cents, 110 cents. Held the whole fucking day. Traded the bullish trend. I literally, man, if you watch the fucking video, I literally said, used August 26th as a bullish fucking trend day example, man. Look, I'm putting you onto the best fucking shit, man. All you gotta do, take a fucking screenshot of August 26th, take a fucking screenshot of August 27th, post it on your fucking wall. Every single day, the market is reacting bullish. Every single day, the market is having a trend reversal that's bullish. Every single day, the market's having a bullish trend day. Use the fucking patterns. Bullish engulfing at key levels. Break and retest bullish engulfing or green, red, fucking green. Use the patterns. Use this fucking picture, this fucking mirror as a fucking reflection, and you will be green alongside all the fucking multimillionaires inside of Team Roar every single fucking day. My fucking gosh, man. You're going to be winning so fucking much. You're going to be sick of fucking winning. Some of you are going to be winning so fucking much that you're going to want to start losing. You're going to be like, dude, I'm winning too fucking much. This is just too fucking bright. There's just too much fucking light here. Some of you are going to be so fucking bored of fucking winning. You're going to be like, dude, what's a loss like? Some of you are going to dip your fucking toes in losing after winning so fucking much. Again, don't choose to be a fucking degenerate. Experience it fucking once, and that's fucking it, man. Keep on winning. Keep on fucking winning. If you want to experience and be a degenerate once, fine. Don't dig yourself too fucking deep, man. Keep on fucking winning. It's unlimited winning and unlimited fucking printing. This is what we love to see. That's what we love to fucking hear, man. Every single day. Losing is a personal choice. 11K day. Fucking amazing, man. This is what I'm fucking talking about. The fucking results. I'm fucking telling you, man, if you guys aren't in here by September, you are fucking up. You are genuinely fucking up. If you are not in this group by fucking September, September is going to be fucking insane. Trusted in G and William. Not that other guy, not that fucking YouTuber, not that fucking guy on X, on fucking Twitter. Trusted in G and fucking William. Left my fucking phone, came back rich. You see, this is the difference between someone who fucking listens, right? Versus someone who says, all right, I'm going to take these trades. Okay, I got on the trade. It dropped 80%. These guys are fucking shit. I'm selling. Fuck this group. Or I'm going to set a stop loss. I got stopped out. I saved myself from losing some more money, right? Or my position size is too fucking big because I don't have any risk management and I don't trade the way that these guys trade. I take massive position sizes and I use stop losses, right? All the fucking degenerates who don't fucking listen to us. It's like, dude, if you are in our fucking group, you have to trade a certain way. If you don't trade that certain way, which is, by the way, easy and simple as fuck, it's like, dude, the people who just trade the way we fucking trade will get better results blindly trading the way we trade than the fucking tryhard who doesn't fucking listen and goes all fucking in, oh, I'm seasoned, I'm experienced, I'm going to do my own thing with this guy's system, and I'm going to do my own thing. You know, sometimes I'm going to sell for losses, sometimes I'm going to use stop losses. Dude, the one blindly trading will outperform him. Literally a fucking sheep could join the fucking group. They'll outperform a seasoned trader who's trying to trade our shit their own fucking way, which could mean, okay, I'm going to take big position sizes. Since they're taking big position sizes, they can't hold their trades. Their trades can't come back to life because they're risking too much, so they sell for a loss, so they get stopped out, right? Versus someone who just blindly fucking trades, they can fucking bank. Versus someone who's more seasoned and experienced, but they don't want to trade our system the way we fucking trade. It's like, dude, we have a system that works. If you try to trade differently, that's on fucking you. You're fucking up. Shit's not for you. Look at this, man. Trusted in G and William, left my fucking phone, came back fucking rich. Losing is a personal choice, man. It's genuinely a fucking choice. Every single fucking day. There is no reason to be fucking red when losing is a personal fucking choice, man. Fuck. All these fucking wins. Who the fuck do you know is winning this fucking much? I'm fucking telling you, man, if people want to come in here and think they're hot fucking shit and start off trading with big fucking size, I don't care how successful you are. If you come in here and you're already successful as fuck and you start trading with big fucking size, you're already fucking up, dude. We trade the complete opposite of how everyone else trades. We trade a way that no one else trades, man. So y'all need to size the fuck down and learn this shit and gain some fucking experience before thinking you're some hot fucking shit or thinking you're going to make a fuck ton of money at first. Like, dude, shit takes time to learn the experience. Part of trading is to gain the experience of trading. And you need to understand when you come in here, you're gaining an experience of something you never experienced before, of something you never experienced. So at first, of course, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to fuck up. Like, shit's going to fucking happen. You're going to have to adjust. You're going to have to fucking rewire. But the people who listen and fucking get it, they fucking print. They fucking print, man. Look at this. Thanks, Will. Bought the pullback at 645.50. Sold out half. Now it's 646.70.50. Held fucking runners. Bank 3 fucking K. 6.7K up so fucking far. Tuesday fucking 34 fucking K. Look, man. It's all a fucking choice. If you are losing fucking money, it is all a genuinely personal fucking choice. I'm seeing the same members, the same faces making fucking thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars every single fucking week. I'm sitting here saying, fuck. Losing is a personal fucking choice, man. It's just fucking crazy. You know, it's genuinely fucking crazy that this is available to the public, man. I'll tell you what, anyone else If they were in my shoes, my fucking position, which ain't gonna fucking happen, if they were, they would not make this shit available to the public, dude. This is not fucking normal. I'm telling you, it is very abnormal for something like this to be fucking available where you can just click that fucking link and fucking join, dude. I'm fucking telling you, I know how this business works and shit like fucking this. This is not supposed to fucking exist in the fucking public. This is supposed to be like extremely fucking private, fucking waitlist, applications, maybe even fucking phone fucking call interviews. Like, dude, I'm fucking telling you. This is fucking insane, man. The fact that we're just letting people in at instant access is genuinely fucking mind-blowing. You know, at some point it might not be like that, but man, I mean, it goes to show you that it's definitely me. It's definitely fucking me. Like, I'm crazy enough to do it. I'm genuinely crazy fucking enough to fucking give people instant access to this shit, man. But in the future, I don't know if we're gonna do that, man. I mean, for this, we'll likely keep it like that. But this is just fucking wild, man. Anyone else in this situation, they would definitely make this shit private. They would make this shit private. They would charge a fuck ton more. They would do applications. They would do phone calls. Like, man, you all need to take this shit fucking serious. Like, for some people, that's literally what it takes. Some people, it's literally like, you have to pay more. You need to fill out a fucking application. You need to get on a fucking phone call. Like, for some people, for people to take shit seriously, they genuinely fucking need that. I'm telling you, if we did that, we'd have members in here that are just like trained better and get better results. I genuinely believe that, man. I mean, some people just unlocks like a mindset shift, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, I think just because it's so easy to get in terms of it's like instant access. I mean, it's not easy to fucking find. This channel and shit's rare as fuck. But like, it's fairly easy to join, but it's still the best fucking trades on the fucking planet. Like I said, this is like a rare situation, you know, to get instant access to something. But man, if we had some sort of like application or something with a phone call, people would probably take this shit a fuck ton more serious and they'd probably actually fucking listen. But if you just allow people to join with a fucking link and just let them be fucking degenerates, it's like, dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, shit's fucking wild, man. So guys, if you're gonna join the group, don't be fucking disrespectful like that. Fucking take the shit fucking seriously. And you need to understand, you're not gonna be trading how you're fucking trading. However the fuck you were taught to trade or however the fuck you taught yourself to trading, just picture that all fucking gone. It's just all fucking gone. Everything you thought about trading, everything you fucking learned about trading, it's all fucking gone. You join this group, it's all gone. You're rewiring, you're learning everything fucking new. That's what I'm saying, man. People think they're hot shit or they know shit. Wait till you join our group. Wait till you fucking experience our group. You think you know something about the market? Wait until you join our fucking group. You're going to be like, dude, who the fuck are these guys? Are they fucking hedge fund owners? Or what? How the fuck are they doing this? How the fuck are they winning this many times in a fucking row, buying the cheapest, lowest? Do you understand? This is the hardest asset class. You have to time this shit fucking perfectly, dude. If you're trading during fucking power hour, you don't have time for the trade to come back to life. You have to be fucking perfect. Now, this is the double-edged sword to that. People think you have to be perfect, but you don't. Because the beauty of power hour is it gives you the biggest percentage gains in the shortest period of time. So it's like, technically during power hour, you can make 3 trades. And what we'll do is we'll add to the winners. And as long as we make 200% return on one of the fucking trades, we'll be break even if the other 2 trades expired worthless 1 to 0. But we won't be break even because we added to the winners, which doubled the gains. And during power hour, we're typically not making 200%, typically 300 to 500%, sometimes 1,000%. So this is why we say losing is a personal choice. During power hour alone, you can be highly successful with a win rate of 33%. And if you don't believe it, you haven't traded with us, because you'll fucking see every single fucking time, man. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you are going fucking red, it's all on fucking you. Look in the fucking mirror, do the fucking rewiring. Understand, you're part of a rare sacred group that's trading a way that nobody else is trading. You know, go ahead, join any other group. Join any group you know of. They could be fucking $5,000 a year. They could be fucking $100 a month, whatever the fuck. Join any group out there. Private, fucking more public, whatever the fuck. Look at their trades and then look at our system. And what you're going to say is, the other group, they just trade. They buy, they sell, they don't got shit. This group, they have a system. And they win non-fucking stop. It's cheap, low risk. They set profit stops. They move the profit stops up higher to ensure that if the market has a big move against their trade, the most they're gonna risk is the most they'll give back in terms of their profits is where they move their profit stop to, not to where they originally set it to, right? That way they don't give back the bulk of their profits, right? So unlimited consistent winning, biggest percentage gains. You're going to see there's nothing else like this on the planet. You cannot name anything else out there on the fucking planet. It doesn't fucking exist. Look, where are you going to find another me? Where are you going to find another us? Where are you going to find another group like? Where are you going to find another shit like this? You ain't going to find anything out there like this on the fucking planet. It does not fucking exist. It is unlimited winning and unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. We've been trading for over a fucking decade. If you want to see what that experience looks like and trade alongside it, it's the first thing down below in the description. But you better fucking stand. We're doing the complete opposite of what all you motherfuckers are doing. Our style, nobody else trades the way we trade, dude. Who the fuck do you know says when our trade's down 90%, it comes back to life and goes green 7 out of 10 times? We don't use stop losses. We don't sell for losses. And in terms of when we do have a loss, that just means the contract expired worthless and went to zero. And what we lost was what we were already anticipating to lose, everything we put into the trade. Who the fuck do you know says that? This is how we win. We put in what we anticipate to lose, our max risk per trade. We win non-fucking stop. It's the highest win rate in the game. Cheap, low risk, far out of the money, 0-day options, biggest percentage gains within the market, add to winners to double to triple the gains. With the way we trade, you can win by being down 90%. Because we trade the trend, the trades come back to life, and they go in the money. You don't have to time your trades perfectly when you trade the fucking trend, right? If you size in big and you use stop losses, you have to time your trades perfectly. And you also have to sell for a small win like a little fucking bitch because your stop loss is too tight for you to hold any fucking further. With us, we do the opposite. We set profit stops and move the profit stops up higher to ensure that we don't get back our profits, right? Stop trading like a fucking bitch. Grow fucking balls. Hold your fucking trades. If you can't hold your fucking trades, you're sizing in too fucking big. That's your fucking problem. It's like, dude, if you can't afford to start with one fucking contract, don't fucking trade. That's what I would tell you. If risking $50 fucking dollars to fucking make fucking $100 fucking dollars, $200 fucking dollars, if that's too big of a risk, if that's too much, don't fucking trade, dude. Fuck. We're very honest. It's unlimited winning, unlimited fucking printing. If the shit's not for you, just cancel the group, dude. That's what I'm saying, man. We're winning nonstop. We are trying our absolute best to get everyone green. And for those of you who are not going fucking green, at some point you're going to have to fucking leave. Like the fuck. At some point you're going to have to cancel the fucking group. Like if you just keep on going fucking red, losing money, if the shit's not for fucking you, you're going to have to cancel. You're going to have to fucking leave the group, man. Part of the market isn't just to thrive, it's to survive, At the end of the day, it's not realistic to thrive every single day. We figured out a way to make it happen, but traders do have ups and downs. That's very, very real, Tough times can occur. But if you can get to a point where your bottom is towards survival, and your peak is just unlimited upside thriving, that's a good place to be, man. Because, traders, they do go through tough times at times. It could be rare, but it does happen. And in terms of that happening, if you're still somewhat thriving or even surviving, then you're still in a good fucking spot, man. Because, a strong foundation to trading is literally just to be able to fucking survive. Most traders, the saddest thing that I've witnessed in other traders, working with other traders, studying them, trading alongside them, I would say the saddest thing that I've seen in people who get involved with trading, not that they lost all their money, not that they blew up their accounts, not that they lost all their friends or family, not that they got hooked on fucking drugs or whatever the fuck. Like, I would say the saddest fucking thing that I've seen in someone who tried to trade and they just didn't make it, they quit, they give up, whatever the fuck, they lose everything, bad shit happens, whatever the fuck, right? I would say they never even gave themselves a chance. It's like, dude, imagine putting your money into the stock market in like genuinely trying to become successful. But there's certain things where like if you don't have these variables, no matter what the fuck you do, even if you have the other variables of success, you will never be successful. And that's the saddest thing, because it's like, imagine quitting something that can change your life and you put in so much time, so much effort, but you still genuinely never had a chance to even experience if you could be successful at it, because you never gave yourself the opportunity at. And then people are wondering, well, what's that one variable? It's risk management. It's position sizing. You can have the best trades. You can have the highest win rate in the game. You can be the most experienced in trading. You can, hold your trades for the longest periods of time. You can buy the exact lows. You can sell the exact peak. But at the end of the day, if you don't have proper risk management, if you are taking big position sizes, you will always lose money. I promise you. In the end, if you take big position sizes, you will always lose money. So that's what I'm saying, man, because this is a very real thing. And it's genuinely sad because some of these people, they could have potentially made it, But I just like fuck that. I couldn't even imagine that. But I've seen people walk away from trading who've done this. They have so many variables to a successful trader, but they don't have proper risk management. Like something's missing. And for a lot of people, it's literally big position sizes, not having proper risk management. But it's like, if you don't have that, no matter how fucking good you are, you will always end up losing money. So it's like, no matter how much money you make, eventually you'll give it all back. So it's like, in a way, there's some of the people, they could have been some of the best fucking traders, And who knows, maybe they fucking were. But at the end of the day, they quit, they stopped, or they lost everything or whatever the fuck and never went back to it. It's like, I just couldn't imagine quitting if you never gave yourself a chance to be successful in the first place. That's one of the most wild things about trading, because in terms of trading, it's like, to be successful, it's not just one simple thing. You need multiple things within your favor. And for a lot of people, it's that risk management and it's that position sizing. And it's also, they don't have systems. Like us, we have systems. This isn't just buy here, sell here. This is buy, set profit stops, move profit stop up higher, add to winners, sell. This is a whole fucking system of risk management and every fucking thing. It's very fucking advanced, right? But what I'm saying is, man, like, one thing that I've seen interesting within this space, trading, working alongside people, is I've genuinely seen good traders come and go. But the crazy part is, they were never in a position, no matter how good they were, to be successful, because they didn't have a certain variable to be successful. They can have all the variables in trading to be successful, but if they're missing one, they were never in a situation to be successful long term. That's what's fucking mind-blowing, man. And that's why a lot of traders end up fucking quitting. But if they just would have had that one more variable, it could have changed their entire life. 3 to 6 months of compounding could change your fucking life. But that's what blows my mind, man, because I'm telling you, you could be genuinely a best trader. But man, one thing that takes away experience and one thing that destroys traders is big position sizes, man. So it's like, at least give yourself the chance to see if trading's for you, because it's one thing to try, but it's another thing to try and then quit, but never give yourself the chance to see if it even makes sense for you to quit, to see if you even could have became successful, right? That's a completely different story. I can understand someone like walking away and quitting if they had all the variables and they genuinely gave it their best shot and they realized, look, trading's just not for me. I'll figure something else out. And that's completely fine. 98% of traders lose money anyways. The fuck? If it's not for you, it's not for fucking you. But one thing, especially in terms of someone quitting and walking away from, that would be like haunting in a way. Knowing that like someone was actually good, they had experience, or like they just genuinely wanted to try trading and they genuinely wanted to be successful, and like they gave it all they got, but they didn't have a certain variable, and then they quit and walked away. It's like, that's just wild to think about. It's like they never had a chance to be successful in the first place. So think about it, like, if you never had a chance to be successful in the first place, then it's like, if they never had a chance to be successful in the fucking first place, then in that particular situation, it's like they never even fucking tried in a fucking sense. So imagine what would happen if they tried in a sense where they actually had the chance to be fucking successful, if they had all the fucking variables, if they had the fucking map. And this is what we give traders. We give traders the system. We give them the fucking, entire fucking trading alert system, man. But that's just fucking wild to think about, man. Because there's people who quit and walk away from things, but it's like, it's just, that's just a fucking tough call to make if you want something, but you quit and walk away, but you never even had the chance to be successful to begin with. So it's like, you never fucking know. It's kind of like haunting. You never fucking know if it was for you or not. It's like people tried and maybe they were good, but they still never knew if it was for them or not, because at the end of the day, you need certain variables to be successful in trading. And if they didn't have one of those variables, then no matter what the fuck they had, They never fucking know because they didn't have all the fucking variables. So, man, that's just like, just think about all the traders who end up losing money long term, or all the traders who quit in the long run. Think about like the ones who had all the variables, chose to quit anyways. The ones who had all the variables, made it big. Maybe they went on and off and quit at times. And then the ones who never had all the variables. And some of those traders, if they had all the variables, some of those traders would have made it big, man. It's just fucking insane, man. It really is insane to think about it, man. But I would say the worst experience you can have for those of you who are actually giving this a serious shot as a trader is to never give yourself a chance in the first place, is to actually dedicate your time and money into this, but never have all the variables and never genuinely give yourself a chance to actually be successful. Because you're always going to wonder, and you're always going to want to come back and figure out, like, can I actually do this? Can I actually make back the money that I lost and then compound it and become successful? Can I actually sustain this and replace this from a normal job? Can I, make an insane fucking lifestyle out of this where it's more than a 9-to-5 job? I'm telling you, man, if you're going to fucking quit, at least go deep enough to where you're quitting in a way where it's like, dude, I know the variables. I figured this shit out. It's just not for fucking me. I accept it. I'm walking the fuck away. Maybe in the future I'll try it again, but at least have a strong perspective on it, because I just couldn't imagine walking away from something, realizing it's like, man, if you really wanted it, but you never had all the variables in the first place, you never put yourself in a situation to be successful in the first place, and then to quit, that's just fucking haunting. Like, fuck that. It's like you never even tried to begin with. You never really tried or never really got like a true experience in trading. Like, most traders who quit, they genuinely never got a real, true experience in trading, And that's why, like, especially within this group, that's one of the reasons why I love our group, because, like, it's so real. At the end of the day, whether they lose money, whether they make money, it's like they're gaining access to a real trading experience, which is going to change their lives in many different ways. Like, it's a genuine, real trading experience, and that's what traders need. They need real fucking experience. Traders don't need some sort of delusion, some sort of illusion, or something like, I tried this, I'm going to quit. It's like, dude, you didn't have all the variables. You ain't quitting shit. You didn't have shit. You thought you knew shit. You thought you were good. You didn't have that one variable to see if you actually could give yourself a chance to be successful. Like, you need all the fucking variables. The fuck? You don't have to be the best at all the variables, but you need all of them. Fuck. If you're shit, get good at risk management at least. Start getting good at the easiest fucking shit. The fuck? We got people holding with fucking blindfolds on, outperforming people who are losing fucking money. Some people losing fucking money in the group. They're fucking holding blindfolds on, saying, dude, there's people saying, man, I walked away for hours. Sometimes the best thing you could do is just fucking turn on notifications on your phone. Just walk the fuck away. You're going to outperform someone who's sitting here all fucking strategic and surgical trying to do their own shit with our trades. It's like, dude, we do the trades. We got the shit held down, man. The fuck? Decade of fucking experience. Nobody fucking prints like us. It's living fucking proof. Years and years of a track record, man. The fuck? It's fucking insane, man. So listen, man. Join the group. Get in here. Start making money. You're going to love it. You're going to gain experience. And you're going to gain access to something real. That's one of the best things about the group is you gain access to something real. You're not wasting your time, man. If you're wasting your time in here, that's your fucking choice. The fuck? If you're losing money in here, you should be learning a fuck ton. You should be seeing through your fucking self at the speed of fucking light. If we're going green and making money every single fucking day and someone's losing fucking money, then you need to fucking audit every fucking thing that we're fucking doing and that you're fucking doing. The fuck? Learn from your fucking mistakes. Figure out what the fuck you're doing. Figure out, okay, when I came in here, these were my habits. Okay, now when I'm in here, these are their habits. What's the difference? And I already tell them all the fucking difference. But like I said, people need to fucking learn, experience them shit themselves. People need to fuck up on their own themselves. The fuck? You can't just tell people what to do and expect them to do it. They need to fucking experience it at least once. Fucking up at least once. And then fixing their fucking shit. They need to rewire all their fucking shit. It's like, dude, you think we became like this over fucking night? Instilled these habits? The fuck? Like, it takes fucking time to rewire and instill good fucking habits and to leave all the fucking bad. It takes fucking time to get to that fucking place. Now, the beauty of that is, though, it can all go away overnight, man. The fuck? I've had bad habits in my life there for a long time, and then boom, overnight, gone like that. Same shit could fucking happen, man. All the bad shit you do in trading, it could last for a very long time, and then all of a sudden, boom, it's just gone. Over fucking night, straight to the fucking top. That's the wild part about like bad fucking habits, man. I've had habits for long periods of time, and then boom, they're just gone like that at the speed of fucking light, just gone within seconds. Sitting here saying like, dude, what the fuck? Had that habit for fucking months, and now it's just gone within a split fucking second, straight to the fucking top. Good positive habits, man. I'm fucking telling you guys, you need to get in this group and start experiencing this. It's the first link down below within the description. We are going to close out this month very, very strong within the green. You're not going to want to miss it. I'm telling you, we are going to go off. It's going to be fucking insane, man. We finished end of July, fucking insane. We are going to finish this month very, very strong in the green. You need to join right now. We're going to finish the month extremely strong in the fucking green. Do you understand? Like, the market's fucking closed on Monday. We already dislike weekends as it is because the market's fucking closed. So it's closed on fucking Monday now? You know how much fucking money we're going to fucking make on fucking Thursday and then, oh man, fucking Friday. This is going to be a rare Friday. You guys better be in here by fucking Friday. We're going to be trading every fucking thing, not just SPY and SPX, fucking stocks, 0-8s on stocks for Friday. We're going to fuck shit up, man. Market's closed on fucking Monday. We're going to run up as much fucking money as we fucking can, man. We take that shit fucking personal. We're here to fucking take it all, man. We'll take every fucking dime out of the fucking market. If it's here for the taking, we got it. We'll take it fucking all, man. So, the choice is yours. But at the end of the day, losing's a personal choice. If you'd like to join us, it's the first link down below, within the description.